Today we are reviewing Lancôme Advanced Génifique Youth Activating Serum. This serum is designed to improve the overall appearance of the skin and addresses the signs of aging. Some of the key feature is the serum is formulated to activate the youthful qualities of the skin, promoting a more radiant and youthful complexion. It also aims to improve various skin concerns including dullness, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. This serum is formulated with Lancôme's patent complex called biotechnology-derived ingredients, which is said to help strengthen and activate the skin's youth proteins. It provides hydrations to the skin, helping to improve its radiance and overall texture. The serum is typically suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. To use this serum, apply it on a clean, dry skin for morning and or evening. You can dispense a few drops onto your palms and gently press it onto your face and neck. It can be followed by your regular moisturizers and other skincare products. With Lancôme's Advanced Génifique Youth Activating Serum, providing the youth activation, skin improvement, hydration and radiance, fast absorbing, and suitable for all skin types, it is recommended by dermatologists as well as being tested by dermatologists. This was a review for Lancôme Advanced Génifique Youth Activating Serum.